Have you ever been to a therapist? Where you sit down and you just pour everything out, and then the therapist says, "What I'm hearing you say is," and then they relay exactly what you're experiencing back to you, but in a much more concise and clear method, better words to explain the pain that you're feeling. I'm Scott Sery. I'm the founder of Know to Grow, where I show you how you can go from having no idea how to make money on your own to growing that idea, and ultimately you live life without having to answer to a boss. If you're selling a product or a service, you need to take a little tip from the therapists and psychologists out there. There are so many business owners and entrepreneurs and salespeople that just miss the mark completely on this, because they are trying to pitch to you before listening to you. The good news is we actually don't often have to listen to every single customer, at least not when we're prospecting and advertising our wares. Let me explain. If every bit of my outreach was, "Buy from me, I have what you need, spend your hard-earned cash with me," then the vast majority of that would just fall flat. Nobody wants to buy from an ad that is begging for a sale. Instead, begin with sympathizing with your client. I know what it's like to be stuck in a job that pays $12 an hour and there's just no room for growth. I was stuck in those jobs for years. I saw all of my friends growing their exciting careers and making money hand over fist, or at least being paid a reasonable wage. And I was dragging my sorry butt to a job that was just a job. When I figured out how I could make money on the side, my life changed dramatically. All of a sudden, I wasn't slave to just one income anymore. So I dove right in, and so I could afford to upgrade the Honda that my wife was driving at the time. The thing is, I've been there, and I can show you how to get out of there as well. Are you ready to live the life that you really want to live? Then it's time to sign up for knowtogrow.com. It's where I'll show you how you can tap into those skills that you already have and start living life how you deserve to live it. Okay, so that was a longer example of explaining the pain, and a very real one to me, which I suppose I could just repeat at the end of this video. But did you see how it goes into a storytelling mode? It explains that I get you, man, and then it shows how to overcome the pain. After you've gone through the Know to Grow course, that's how you're going to get in front of the best customers that need what you're selling. Tell them the pain that they're feeling, and then show them how you can help overcome that pain, and how afterward all their wildest dreams will come true. And as you know, just sign up at www.knowtogrow.com. because that's where I'll show you how to find that money-making idea that's hiding inside of you. Did you like this? Did you hate it? Did you think that the shirt that I'm wearing is incredibly awesome? I tie-dyed it myself. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I think it's over here. Leave me a comment on what you think, and then that way I can keep making these videos just for you.